Okay, so let's do some subtraction, or as some people call it, takeaway. So let's say we've got 24 and we're going to take away 12. So this is nice and simple. So we're taking the bottom from the top. So 4 take away 2 gives us 2. 2 take away 1 gives us 1. Now obviously you'll all say, well, it's not always that easy. So this is true. So let's see if we can make it more complicated and justify the fact that maths is much more difficult than we all believe. So let's say we've got 31 take away 14. Now what most people will tend to do is take 1 from 4, so that would give us 3, and then 1 from 3 would give us 2, because that's easier and we understand that we want to make maths as simple as possible. Now in reality, remember, we're always taking the bottom from the top number. Now we can't borrow or take away 4 from 1. If I've got a friend who's got £1 and I need to take £4 from him, I can't do it because he's only got 1. So what we do is this: we take 1 from the next number. So if I take 1 from 3, this gives me 2. So this 1 now becomes 11. Because what I've done is not taken 1, I've taken 10. So I've now got 11. So now it's a lot easier. So 4 from 11 is 7, and 1 taken from 2 is 1. Now we can check this if we want to. 7 plus 4 is 11, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So I get back to my original answer. So we can do this quite easily. So let's take a bigger number, say 364, and we're going to take away 173. Now obviously this has got to be a lot harder because it's a bigger number, but it really isn't true. We take 3 from 4, so we get 1. Now we can't take 7 from 6 because it's not enough. So we borrow from the next number, so the 3 goes down to a 2. And now this 1 that we've borrowed makes the 6 16. So 7 from 16 is 9, and 1 from 2 is 1. So just one more, just so that you get the feel. 4, 1, 6, 2, and we're going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 from 2 we can't do, so we borrow 1 from the next number, which means that the 6 drops to 5. So 4 from 12 we can do, so we get 8. 3 from 5 we can do that as well, which leaves us 2. 2 from 1 we can't do, so we borrow from the next number, which gives us 11. 2 from 11 is 9, and 1 from 3 is 2. And that, I promise you, is all that there is to it. Maths is not difficult, it's as difficult as you want to make it. If you get a mistake and you make a mistake, it doesn't matter, we just try again. So try these out, practice with the worksheets, and you'll